Okay guys, today we will discuss about automatic payment program. Okay. So today we will discuss about automatic payment program. So automatic payment program. So last time we discussed about manual clearing. Today we will continue with automatic payment program. So automatic payment program is called as APP. Simply we can call it as APP. APP means automatic payment program. Okay. So automatic payment program is a beauty of SAP. Automatic payment program is called as the beauty of SAP since so we can clear both vendor and customer invoices at a time. Okay. Huge volume of vendor invoices. Can clear huge volume of vendor and customer invoice at a time. So in ECC manual clearing we have separate T codes. In ECC manual clearing we have separate T codes for that. But in automatic payment program, so we can clear huge volume of vendor and customer invoices at a time. So that is the reason automatic payment program preferred. If vendor open items are huge, bulk volume of vendor invoices are there, and customer invoices are there. Okay, so we can use this program for clearing. Okay, automatic payment program apply. You can also apply to number of company codes. Not only single company code, you can apply for other company codes, multiple company codes at a time. You can take all vendors in the group. Like for example, in your company code you have 100 vendors are there. Take 100 vendors and clear all the 100 vendors invoices due or overdue. If invoice is due or overdue, then automatic payment program will clear. APP will pick the invoice. Okay, if it is due or overdue. Okay, automatic payment program will pick. Okay, if invoice is due or overdue only, automatic payment program will pick if invoice is due or overdue only. So if invoice is not due, so then automatic payment program will not pick. Okay. So if invoice is due, definitely automatic payment program will. So the benefit of this program is you can take bulk volume of invoices at a time. And invoices means it's including vendor and customer invoices. You take all vendor invoices at a time and you can clear it through automatic payment program. Okay. So you can clear national invoices and also international invoices. Okay, so you can clear national invoices and also international invoices. Okay, so automatic payment program is applicable for national and international invoices. Okay, that means you can clear the foreign currency invoices also. Okay, there are two types of runs in our APP. There are two types of runs in APP. One is proposal run and the second one is payment run. There are two types of runs in APP. One is proposal run and second one is payment run. See, in the proposal run, system will pick all the due or overdue invoices. See what proposal run will do? System will pick all the due or overdue invoices. So automatic payment program Okay, in the propose there are two types of run. One is proposal run. So in this run, system will pick all the QR overdue invoices. So payment run, system will clear all the due or overdue invoices. See proposal run, system will pick all the due or the payment run, system will clear. So in the proposal run, there may be chances. There may be chances to get errors in the proposal run. The same way, so error may occur in the payment run. Okay, and first point, what kind of inputs you have to give to the system. See, automatic payment program will pick the invoices, right? So what kind of inputs you will give to pick the invoices, whether it is customer or vendor. One is proposal run. See, one is uh, see in automatic payment program. Okay, automatic payment program F110 T code. Okay, run date, system identification, company code details. Okay, run date, system identification, payment methods. Run date, identification, company code, payment methods. Okay, company code, payment method. So give the today's date. So identification, anything. So company code, payment method, next to payment date. Next to payment date. Okay. And supplier and customer information. Supplier information. Customer information. Okay. So company code, payment date, next payment date, supplier, customer information. So these are all inputs you need to give. Okay. So you see if you give this inputs, the system will automatically recognize invoices. Okay. So for respective vendors, these are the invoices are due. System will easily identify. Okay. So we need to give this kind of inputs in the proposal run. In the proposal run, sorry, in the parameter, these are called as a parameter. What kind of inputs? What kind of parameters? Instead of inputs, it's supposed to give parameters. Okay. Okay. Automatic payment program. These are the parameters you have to give. Okay. And what is next step? Next step is what are the config T codes? T codes, SAP end user T codes. SAP end user T code. F110. Okay. F110. SAP configuration T code. Here is it. Okay. So these are the configuration features. Run date, system identification, company code details, payment methods, next payment date, supplier information, customer information. Okay, end user key code is F110, SAP configuration key code FBZP. Okay. And configurations, what kind of configurations are there in the automatic payment program? Okay, what kind of configurations you have to do? All company codes, paying company codes, payment method for country, payment method for company code, bank determination, house bank creation. Okay, these are all configurations. So we need to give. These are all configurations we need to give. All company codes, paying company code, payment method in company code. Okay, payment method for company code, bank determination, house bank creation. Okay, these are all configurations we definitely give. Okay. Okay, you need to provide these inputs. You have to give this inputs. Run date, system identification, company code, payment method, next payment date, supplier information, customer information, and the house bank details. Real-time scenarios. So we will discuss some more real-time scenarios. Okay, real-time scenarios classes have been started. Okay, from today onwards. So far, what we have discussed all the stuff completely standard. Okay, normal stuff. Whenever we start automatic payment program, that means high level discussions will be gone and very important for interview perspective. Okay, so most of the interviewer will ask the questions from automatic payment program only. Okay, so for example, if you go for the interview, so interview will ask you first question, in which area you are strong. So then you need to tell, right? So I'm perfect in, I'm comfortable with automatic payment program. I'm comfortable AP, ER, new asset accounting. Any one module you have to tell. So let's say, for example, if you tell about automatic payment program, or also if you tell about accounts payable concept, then interviewer definitely ask you this question about automatic payment program real-time scenarios. He will ask you one real-time scenario. For that, what is your solution? That things he will expect from you. Okay. So here we'll discuss so many scenarios. Okay, so many scenarios. So when vendor is also customer, so how to clear the invoice? So how to clear foreign currency invoices for both vendor and customer at a time. So how to clear vendor invoices and customer invoices? How to do partial clearing? How to clear? This is applicable to both. Okay, down payments. So how to clear cash discount invoices? Okay, real-time scenarios. How to clear credit memo and debit memo invoices. How to clear TDS invoices. How to clear GST invoices. Okay, and so how to clear PO invoices. So how to clear billing document. So these are all real-time scenarios. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and some more scenarios we will discuss in our classes, like how to clear check payments. Check payments clearing. Okay, so I will give you another. After the end of the syllabus, I will give you another 10 scenarios. Total 20 scenarios we will discuss in our classes. So everyone should understand the difference between Chanu SK training institution and others. So others will explain what is automatic payment program. They will tell 1 or 2 scenarios, but in our sessions, okay, so we will discuss 20 plus scenarios. Automatic payment program is linked with so many areas. It is linked with GST, withholding tax, okay, and PO integrations, okay, credit memos, debit memos, so many areas it was linked. Automatic payment program will not be ended up till our training completed. It will going process, ongoing process. Every day means, say for example, if we discuss about GST, so automatic payment program will be included in the GST. If we discuss about the sales and distribution process, billing, so automatic payment program also linked with the billing. If we discuss about the purchasing related aspects and purchase orders, invoice, goods receipt invoice, so there also automatic payment program is linked. So this concept will never end. Okay, so many real-time scenarios are associated with this concept. So many real-time scenarios are associated with this concept. Okay, so you guys need to prepare this topic carefully. Okay, so if anyone asks you, tell me about automatic payment program. Okay, so you should ready with that. Okay, automatic payment program is a beauty of SAP. So we can clear huge volume of vendor customer invoices at a time. So automatic payment program will pick the invoice if it is due or overdue. Automatic payment program will applicable for national and international invoices. Okay, so there are two types of runs in automatic payment program. Proposal run. In this run, system will pick all the due or overdue invoices. There may be chances to get errors in the proposal run. Payment run. System will clear all the due or overdue invoices. And there may be chances to get errors in the proposal run and payment run. Okay. So most probably you'll get errors in the proposal and payment run. So what kind of parameters that we have to give at the time of proposal execution, at the time of payment on execution. So we need to give this basic inputs: run date, system identification, company code details, payment methods, next payment date, supplier information, customer information. So SAP end user T code F110, SAP configuration T code FBZ. What kind of configurations we have in automatic payment program? All company codes, paying company codes, payment method for country, payment method for company code, bank determination, house balance. And what kind of real-time scenarios that we have to handle in real time. Okay, so when vendor is also customer, how to clear this invoices, how to clear the foreign currency invoices, how to clear vendor invoice and customer invoice at a time. Okay, and how to do partial clearing and how to do down payments clearing, how to do card discounts invoices clearing, and how to create credit memo and how to clear this, and debit memo. What is debit memo? How to clear through automated payment program. So these are all configurations and real-time scenarios that we will handle in the upcoming classes. Okay. So today is just like introduction session. Okay, that's the reason I'm just giving brief idea what exactly this automated payment program is. Okay. So and also we have give last end of the syllabus. Okay, we will share you one more 20 plus real time scenarios, and during our sessions most probably will get so you will get at least 10 plus errors. Okay, so how many errors you have that you just share it. Okay, I will resolve. Okay, 10 plus errors, max 15 errors we will discuss in our classes. Okay, so once you complete this automatic payment program concept, you can answer any kind of question in the real time. So most probably interviewer focus is automatic payment program only. Okay, so far what we have discussed up to GL, vendor creation, customer creation. Okay, that is not important, not that much important. Okay, GL changes are important, ECC to S4HANA changes are important, business partner concept important, but automatic payment program very important concept. So interviewer mostly focus on this area one. Got my point? So you need to tell 15 plus errors, real-time errors, real-time errors, and 10 to 20 scenarios. Okay, during the interview session, definitely you will crack any kind of interview. So interview will ask you what kind of errors you have faced in automatic payment program. You need to tell at least 5 to 10 errors. And please note of all the errors and real-time scenarios while discussing our classes. From today onwards, every session is important. Okay, lectures on currency setup configuration and that discussions are very important, and business partner discussions are very important, and automatic payment program very important. So freshers point of view, these things are also very vital. Okay, so we have the T codes automatic payment program configuration T code FBZP. Okay, so we have this configurations, all company codes, paying company code, payment method in company code, bank determination, house banks. 1, 2, 3, 6 configurations are there. Okay, so all company codes we have new entries. We have to know about these fields. Okay, paying company code, paying company code. Okay, so payment methods, what kind of payment methods are there, and payment method for company code, bank determination, ranking orders, house bank creation. So this house bank creation will be done in the Fury option. House bank creation will be done in the Fury. There are two types of clearings. There are two types of clearings in general. One is manual way and second one is automatic payment program. So manual way, okay, manual way. So for clearing you can use F-53. If it is down payment, you can clear through F-44. Okay, and if it is a down payment, you can book through transaction F-48. If it is down payment request, you can use F-47. Okay, so at least you should know the T codes. At least you should know the T codes. That's fine. See, guys, I'm sharing materials. Okay, every day I'm sharing one material in the WhatsApp group. So how many people know about this? Okay, anyone joined in this WhatsApp group? Okay, I'm sharing materials means it is related to FI, ST. Okay, so I'm sharing materials every day. One material I'm sharing. Okay, so for future purpose it would helpful. For everyday classes I will share the material. Okay, notes and materials will be shared. But this group is for advanced. Okay, so people who want to explore themselves. Okay, this like for other areas like FI, SD. Okay, and they want to know more about SAP, model, SD model, FI model. Every day we are sharing the materials. Please join in this group. You will get everyday material. Okay, one material every day, one or two materials. Okay, sometimes we will share F5 material, sometimes we will share MM materials, sometimes we will share SD material. These materials are very helpful, and definitely these materials would be helpful in future purpose. Okay, so please join right now in this group. Please join. Okay, so please join in this group. If you're already joined, fine. If you're not joined, please join, and just scroll up. You will get the materials. Okay. So at the same time, we'll share one material. Okay. So every day. So very important materials we are sharing. Okay. Please get this material and download it. Okay. Download these materials. Okay. So do this thing today. Whatever the materials in the app, please download those materials. Okay, just scroll up and check what kind of materials we shared. Okay, so please check and download these materials and spend some time 15-20 minutes and get this material. Okay, every day we are sharing the material, so please get it. So generally it is for example, if I'm discussing about automatic payment program, I will share notes and materials here. Okay, but in the material group, I will share the other materials and the FICO, other materials also for your future purpose. Okay, and you want to explore more, then these materials will helpful. Okay, please check. Okay, so up to here, uh, how many people are up to date? How many people are up to date? So just put your name in the chat. Just put your name in chat. I just want to check with the initial stage. You guys are very interesting and very active in the group, and you guys made this group very active. But nowadays, I didn't see anyone focusing on the subject. So what happened? So initial stage, everyone is very active, but now people are very dull and not sharing any inputs or screenshots in the chat box. I just want to check with you how my training is. Okay, whether it is good or some more things you want to discuss, please continue with that. So I just ask everyone. So Anil Kumar, can you hear me? Anil Kumar. So you are mute. Please come out from mute. Are you there, Anil Kumar? B Kirtana. B Kirtana. Are you there? I check with everyone. Okay. So your progress, what kind of configurations up to you have done. I just want to check with everyone. Anil Kumar, B Kirtana, Bhaskar Reddy. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yeah. So are you up to date, madam?
Yes.
Okay. So what about Anil Kumar? Bhaskar Reddy. Saujanya. What about you, madam? What is your progress here? Saujanya, are you there? Lokesh Naidu. Lokesh Naidu. So are you up to date? Shifai. Shifai. Venkata Ramana. What about
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's all more than us. We know you know that how to guide us regarding interview point of view. We are taking every notes and downloading every notes. And um, yes, sir.
okay? Just
Yes,
want
we
to
are
check
following.
with you. How is this training?
It's great, sir. Great, sir. Before joining this class, I have watched many videos in your YouTube, and after that only I have joined.
Okay.
Compared to others, you're taking a fantastic, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. What kind of difference that you noticed?
Actually, they won't take like they just tell what is this, what is that. But you going slowly and going in depth
Okay.
in every subject.
Mm-hmm.
And also I think what and all you teaching, if you follow means you giving many material,
Okay.
and it will help in to clear interview, I think, sir.
Okay. So are you up to date, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your inputs.
Thank you, sir.
And Shifa, are you there? What about Janet? Are you preparing well?
Yeah, yes, sir. I completed all the classes task, and I feel I like this training because I'm not a finance student,
Mm-hmm.
and you never use any difficult finance term. I mean, you explain in a simple language, in a communication language. That's what I like. If you use like difficult words to explain SAP or difficult terms, then it would be difficult for me to understand, and maybe I have to go to back and forth to translate what you are saying, like others do in the YouTube videos.
Okay.
That's what I like the most.
So what kind of differences that you observed comparing to other YouTube channels and me?
In other YouTube channel, I mean, like I said, the wording for a simple thing they use difficult word to, I mean, maybe to make them smart or I don't know. But for a student like me who is not finance background, if they use the difficult words to explain the simple thing, is difficult to catch.
Okay.
So I mean, their video looks like very organized and very professional, but difficult to understand. What I find here is easy to understand.
Okay, fine, great. Okay, thank you all. So anything you want to discuss, this is the right time. So please go ahead with your discussions. Okay, if you don't understand anything, please let me know. So I will answer right now. So if you are facing any challenges, difficulties, okay, so just put in the chat box. So next class I will explain those topics, discussions, anything. Okay, so you guys catch me anytime in the chat. Okay, just put your query in the chat. I will discuss immediately. Okay. Any errors are there? Please let me know and share me. I will resolve those errors. Okay. See guys. So please prepare these areas today and complete this. Okay. From Monday onwards, we have completely all discussions in automatic payment program with real-time scenarios. Okay, so far what we have learned, that is different. From Monday onwards you will see different teaching methods, different scenarios, different configurations. Okay, so definitely these sessions will helpful to crack any kind of interview in SAP FICO. Okay, so I have a roadmap. So how to crack the interview. Okay, so don't worry about that. You just focus on the present things what we are discussing our classes during our classes. Okay, so just to follow me. Rest of the things you just leave to me. I will take care of all those stuff. For tracking the interview, we have so many materials and also preparation strategies. Okay, rest assured. Definitely, will select an interview. Just to focus and put efforts every day. Definitely, you have bright future in SAP FICO. No doubt. You are the upcoming SAP consultants. Okay, thank you all. So next class, we will have detailed understanding about this areas. Okay, I will move very slowly. Okay, I don't go in fast. Okay, so this English sessions will be take more time, but you will get depth knowledge. Okay, that things I can give you assurance. Thank you.
Sir,
Sure, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Sir, you said you will be sharing us the materials related to our job roles, right? And the
Yes.
resumes.
Yes.
So can you please share us those details?
Yeah, definitely. You just put in the comment box. Okay, I have the documentation, but that was in the another system. So meanwhile, so just put in the comment box. I will take care of those stuff by tomorrow itself. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you all for reminding me. Thank you, and we will have next session from Monday. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Good night.